Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Joyabuy. This is a video tutorial for beginners. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for joyabuy.com and you'd be directed to this website. Okay, that's right. Then after that, we are going to sign up for an account before we paste here the link or name or shop link. Okay, so we have here a process. We have to place orders, submit the parcels, and sign delivery. So here you can change the language and the currency as well. Now let's go ahead and create our account. Just simply click on this button at the top. Then here, just have to type out your username or email address. So since we don't have an account yet, just click on the sign up option. This one. Here, just have to type out your email address. And then you have to create your password. And you have to type this CAPTCHA. Okay, and then type your CAPTCHA right here. Then make sure to check the box that you have read and agreed to the website terms and conditions and click on register after that. Okay, now just wait for a couple of seconds. Then you have to verify your email. So you just have to go to your Gmail after that. Now you'd be directed to the section where you can use these coupons for your purchase. Okay, so for example, you want to use this one, so you just have to copy the code and then paste the code once you make your order. Okay, so now let us try to find products using typing out their name or using the product link from the other website. So let us try to search for a specific product. Okay, so you just have to use the search bar right here and then type out the product that you are looking for. Okay, so for example, maybe I will try to look for a product. Let's try chairs and click on agree after that. And here you'd be able to see different chairs that you can purchase. Okay, so all you have to do here is to simply click on the product that you want to purchase. For example, this one. Okay, and then here you'd be able to see the details of the product. So we have here the complete name of the product, the price, the different color classifications, and then the quantity. Okay, so let us try to purchase the product. So I think this one is good. So I'm just going to buy maybe 3 chairs. And then here you can leave a message so that you'll receive the exact product. Okay, next is you have to read this note right here. Then once you're done reading this note, you just have to check this box and click on buy now or add to cart. So when you click on add to cart, you just have to check your cart right here at the top right. And then after that, just have to click on the view cart option and you'd be directed to this section. Now, if you want to purchase this product, just check the box and click on the submit option. And here you just have to read this disclaimer. So that's very important to read this one before continuing and click on confirm after that. Okay, and then what we're going to do here now on our confirm order. So we have to select right here destination, which is the Philippines, and you have to confirm the product information. Okay, so we have here the product details. Then after that, you'll be able to see here the shop total, and then click on this box again that you have agreed, and click on proceed to check out. Okay, so right here you have to choose your payment method. So we have different payment methods, and all you have to do is to select the payment method that best apply to you. For example, the debit card or credit card. And here you just have to type out the card holder name, the expiration date, the card number, and then the CVC or CVV. And after that, you just have to pay for your order. So now going back here to the home page, let us try to paste a product link, and we are going to use a Timo for this one. So we're going to use product from Timo. So let me try to use this product. So just click on it and then copy the link, or simply click on this share option right here and click on copy. Or you can also use a search bar at the top and then copy the link and go back here and then paste the link in this field. After that, just click on the search option, and for the product details, all you have to do here is to paste the product link if you cannot find directly the product using the link. So we just have to fill out this field manually. And of course, do not forget to copy the product name as well. And then for the product note or specification, so you just have to paste it right here as well. And of course, for you to be sure that you'll receive the exact product, you have to save the images from Timo, and you are going to upload that right here. Okay, then we have here the fee details as well. So we have the unit price, the quantity, and then the domestic shipping. Okay, so after that one, you'll be able to see here now the agree options. You just have to check the box and click on the buy now or add to cart. So let me try to put here a unit price. Okay, so you just have to convert the unit price from Timo to what is the currency here on Joyabuy. After that, just click on confirm, and here is the product information. So just make sure that all of the information right here are correct and click on continue after that. Then the next thing you should do here is to choose your payment method. So we have again debit card, credit card. So you just have to simply click on it and provide your card details. And going back here to the home page, and when you go to the DIY orders, so you can also paste here the product link, the product name, and other details of the product that you want to purchase. And for the shipping fee estimation, so you can use this tool right here to put the details of your product, so you'll know if how much do you have to pay for the ship. And take note, when using the Joyabuy, it is best to verify the product authenticity. You have to check the supplier ratings and compare the prices before making a purchase. Understanding the shipping costs, delivery times, and potential import duties helps avoid unexpected expenses. So, using secure payment methods and tracking the orders can prevent issues with lost or delayed shipments. And communicating with your sellers for additional details or clarifications ensures a better buying experience. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.